Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Success. Today I'm going to be talking about a clean energy stock. And so I recently found out about this stock a couple of days ago, and it was recently listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange since the middle of April. And so they have developed a patented technology for the battery sector, whereas the lithium battery was a big step from the traditional battery. This may be the next step in the battery industry. And so if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. Also, if you'd like 2 free stocks from Webull, there is a link below. And so once you deposit $100, you can get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,600. Also, as always, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. This is just my opinion. And so let's take a look at Graphene Manufacturing Group. This is the company I'm going to be talking about. And so as we can see, this ticker symbol on this is GMG. This does trade on the Toronto Stock Exchange. And so this is trading at $2.26. This is in Canadian dollars. And so it is down 13% today. This did hit an all-time high of about $3.80 just last week. And so since then it has fallen down quite a bit. I think last week, Friday, it was down about 20%, and today we are down about another 13%. So I think this may be a good buying opportunity for this stock. And so I'd like to take a look at this chart as well. Here we can see that it went up quite a bit substantially at the end of last week and has now pulled back. And so I think this is very good. We can see that the RSI down here is very low. And so this may be a good opportunity to swing trade or take a long-term position in this stock going forward. And so let's check out this article here. This is talking about Graphene Manufacturing, and they are a developer of the aluminum ion battery, claiming that it charges 60 times faster than lithium ion. And so this would be an EV range breakthrough. And so I think this could be a good potential for electric vehicles going forward. And so the Graphene aluminum ion battery cells from Brisbane-based Graphene Manufacturing Group are claimed to charge up to 60 times faster than the best lithium ion cells and hold 3 times the energy of the best aluminum-based cells. And so they are a company out of Australia, and so I think there's a lot of potential. And so let's look into it a little bit more. They are also safer with no upper ampere limit to cause spontaneous overheating, with sustainable and easier to recycle thanks to their stable base materials. And so testing also shows that the coin cell validation batteries also last 3 times longer than lithium ion versions. And so this is quite a bit different from the traditional lithium ion battery. Right now you have to go and mine rare earth materials for the lithium. You need to find lithium, you need to find other rare earth materials, where this process that they have developed and patented does not need those rare earth materials. You can use materials that are readily available. And so I think this is very important, as there's going to be a lot of batteries needed in the future. And so as they have stated here, GMG plans to bring graphene aluminum ion coin cells to the market late this year or early next year. And so with automotive pouch cells planned to roll out in early 2024. And so I'd like to take a look at their website here too. I think they do a good job explaining what they do. And so GMG is a clean technology focused company which aims to offer energy saving products and solutions and energy storage products. And so enabled by graphene manufacturing in-house via a proprietary production process. And so their proprietary production process to produce graphene from natural gas, not mined from graphite. And so this process produces high quality, low input cost, scalable, tunable, and low contaminant graphene suitable for use in clean technology applications. Graphite has been out there for a while, and so mining this is nothing new. However, their technology that they are using is more cost effective and cleaner. And so I think that is why there's so much potential for an aluminum ion battery going forward. And so this is not the only thing that this company works on. This is new to them. This is something they are starting to look into more. And so they have other products as well. And so they also are focusing on enhanced heating, ventilating, and air conditioning coatings, lubricants, and fluids. And so GMG and its customers have successfully demonstrated HVAC coating projects, offering customers involvement in the efficiency of space cooling and cooling units. And so GMG is also developing lubricants which aim to reduce friction in engines. And so both of these offer customers air conditioning energy cost reductions. And so they've already developed those products. They already are out on the market. And so that is a way for them to generate revenue. And so in the energy storage segment, GMG and the University of Queensland are working together with financial support from the Australian government to progress research and development and ultimately explore the commercialization of graphene aluminum ion batteries. And so aluminum ion batteries have the potential to better energy density than lithium ion batteries, and graphene aluminum ion batteries may eliminate many disadvantages of lithium batteries, including the risk of fire. And so management believes that the successful commercialization of the graphene aluminum ion batteries would result in the superior substitute of lithium batteries in targeted applications. And so these can be used in electric vehicles, these can be used in cell phones, these can be used in watches, these could also be used in hand tools. And so there's a lot of use cases for these. There's a lot of devices out there that use batteries and would love to have a faster charging time and a longer lasting battery. And so I think this is very important going forward. And so I'd also like to take a look at their corporate presentation here. I'm not going to go through the entire presentation. However, I would like to pick out a couple key points. And so the first thing that I'd like to take a look at here is their competitive advantage. And so this is what I was talking about. The traditional process is to mine graphite and then go through the entire process of mining, distribution, crushing, chemical processing, and the rest of the other steps. This is very expensive. There's a lot of cost and setup included in this process, and there can be a lot of impurities from the graphene oxide. And so with their patented process, they are using natural gas methane and electric plasma and hydrogen to create graphene powder. And so this is a much cleaner way. This is a way of low cost inputs and setup. It is instantaneous and continuous. They have unconstrained fast scalability, and then they also are producing high quality grade graphene. And so I think this is very important. And so the next slide that I would like to take a look at here is their markets. And so they have different products they are focusing on with different markets, and this is an opportunity for them to generate revenue. And so the first product they have is an HVAC energy savings coatings. And so this is an air conditioning efficiency paint. So this has already been developed and deployed. And so this is a $26 billion market they are targeting. And so the next product that they are working on developing is an automotive coolant fuel additive that can be added for efficiency. And so this is another $14 billion market they are looking at tapping into. And so the last and the newest thing that they're talking about looking into is energy battery storage. And so this is a $108 billion industry, and I think this is going to continue to grow, especially as we see more electric vehicles out there and a lot of products continue to move to battery operated. And so they are working on developing this process with commercial prototypes. They are working with the University of Queensland to develop a coin cell and pouch pack prototypes currently in development. And so the next thing I would like to take a look at as well here is the University of Queensland and GMG's partnership. And so they are working together, and so right now they are stating that aluminum ion batteries outperforms lithium ion batteries. They are interchangeable, they're also rechargeable, and they're up to 70 times faster charging. And so they have up to 3 times more battery life as well. They are greener and safer. These cannot start on fire like a lithium battery. And so there is also no lithium or rare earth materials, and so that helps with a uncomplicated supply chain. There's also the ongoing intellectual property collaboration between the university and GMG. And so the last thing I'd like to look at here as well is they are stating they're looking at bringing the coin cell commercial prototypes for customer testing by the end of 2021. And they're also looking at a pouch pack commercial prototype for customer testing is targeted before the end of 2022. And so they have stated before that they are looking at a final product in 2024. And so I think that is very possible as they are continuing to develop this process. And I think as this gets out to more people and they show that they have this potential by developing prototypes, I think this stock will continue to do well. And so I think with this stock currently trading at $2.26 in Canadian, I think that is a good buying opportunity for this stock. I think they have a bright future ahead, especially for their long-term growth. And so if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. If you'd like to see future videos, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.